Are you searching for best woodworking electric trimmer? Hey guys, I am Ratul Khan. I have been working on AliExpress products for about 3 years. Hopefully, my experience and guidelines will help you best product choice. Today I am going to reviews top 5 best woodworking electric trimmer in 2023. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Number 1. Luodabie Woodworking Electric Trimmer. Orders, reviews, and rating. 4.6, 800W 30,000 RPM Wood Router Tool Combo Kit. Electric woodworking machines. Power carpentry manual trimmer tools with milling cutter. Electric hand trimmer router wood carving machine. Wood milling machine. Features: adopts all copper motor with strong power. It has more stable performance. External carbon brush design is convenient for replacement. The height of base height can be adjusted to meet different needs, suitable for wood cutting, trimming, slotting, and making holes. Can be used for wooden processing, cabinet processing, handicraft production. Number 2. Wnew Woodworking Router. Orders, reviews, and rating. Features: easy to install. The product is equipped with 4 mounting screws. Just fix the threaded support rod on the table. Wide range of applications. It is suitable for work table, woodworking, inverted electric wood milling, inverted, etc. It can clamp the trimming machine with a diameter of 64-66 mm. Super lift travel. Generally, the more expensive lifting base can only be lifted by 40 mm, 1.57 inch. This product can be lifted to 51 mm, 2 inch, and it can be lifted by 1 mm every turn. High quality. The main body is made of hard aluminum alloy, CNC processing, smooth and bright surface, stainless steel support rod, rust-proof and anti-corrosion, and has a long service life. Matching, you can choose our C8 router T-able insert board. The whole position is completely consistent with this product. One-click purchase saves time and is more favorable. Number 3. Manual Wood Router Woodworking Electric Trimmer. Orders, reviews, and rating. Woodworking Electric Trimmer 800W Wood Milling Engraving Slotting Trimming Machine Carving Machine Router Wood. Description: apply to wood, plastic sheeting, wood veneer, and other similar materials. Chamfering, grooving, surface finishing, curve cutting, planing wood edge, pattern processing operations activities. Widely used in wood processing, furniture manufacturing, and other industries. Trimming, slotting, and making holes can be used for wooden processing, cabinet processing, handicraft production. External carbon brush design is convenient for replacement. Transparent cover to control the flying sawdust. The height of base height can be adjusted to meet different needs. Lightweight with wired design, convenient for daily operation and carrying. Number 4. Luodabie Electric Trimmer Router. Orders, reviews, and rating. Feature: variable 6-speed control dial, 10,000 to 30,000 RPM, enables user to match the speed to the application. Electronic speed control maintains constant speed under load. Soft start feature for smooth startups. Smooth rack and pinion fine depth adjustment system for more precise settings. Slim and ergonomically designed body for increased comfort and control. Quick release cam lock system for easy depth adjustments and base removal/installation. Fixed base accepts industry standard template guides for convenience. High visibility base designed for improved handling and performance. Base can be removed quickly to install other bases. Heavy duty aluminum motor housing engineered for increased durability. Number 5. RDDSPON Electric Trimmer. Orders, reviews, and rating. Cordless electric trimmer woodworking wood root engraving slotting trimming carving machine router wood for Makita battery. Transparent base for clear line of sight. Standard 1/4 inch collet accepts most router bits. Cutting depth adjusts easily for accurate cuts. 6 speeds can be adjusted, easy to control for home woodworking, remodeling projects, roundovers, and flush trimming. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and stay with us.